We've just acquired this Jaguar XC 2 litre R Sport. It's in absolutely fantastic condition throughout. It's got the upgraded alloy wheels. All the wheels are in absolutely unmarked condition. Jaguar R Sport badge there. Paintwork gleams on the car, as you can see. It's got rear park distance control and the reverse camera as well. Twin exhausts. Absolutely gleaming. Got a very large boot space. In stunning condition. The rear seats will fold down as well. Here's your reverse camera. Let's see. Back seats, stunning condition. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather interior, white stitch piping, full R Sport body styling kit. It's done 80,478 miles. Just start up the car for you. R Sport steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox, full menu, satellite navigation, Meridian sound system, climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, cameras, as you can see, reverse camera with guidance, different ways of driving it, eco mode, sport mode, comfort mode, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, got Bluetooth connectivity as well, full media pack as well. Got your USB and AUX there. Lovely car these are. Very good value for money. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including part exchange, finance packages, warranty packages and drive away insurance if applicable to the vehicle. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.